With reference premier speakers from Klipsch, seat-shaking, cinema-like sound is all yours. How? Let's start with some basics. A 5.1 setup is the most common home theater speaker configuration. 5.1 stands for 5 full-range speakers, plus a subwoofer to handle the low frequencies. The speakers are arranged in the room to put you in the middle of the action. As you watch a movie, the sounds move from speaker to speaker, following any movement on the screen. Putting the right speakers in the right places is important. That's the key to a powerful, accurate home theater setup. Simply put, if a sound is supposed to occur beside or behind you, it doesn't sound realistic if it comes from the front. Same for dialogue. If it comes from behind you when you watch the screen, that just doesn't make sense. For optimal results, place the center speaker with the TV. Now you're localizing all of the critical movie dialogue to the screen, where it belongs. Then place the surround speakers to your sides or just behind you. Make sure that the left speakers are on your left and the right speakers are on your right, as viewed from your favorite spot. You can place a subwoofer almost anywhere in the room, but ideally, it should be placed in a corner or against a wall to maximize its output. Experiment with different locations to find the sound you prefer. Of course, there are more configurations beyond 5.1 that take the home cinema experience even further. Adding additional subwoofers, rear surrounds, or even Dolby Atmos-enabled speakers can bring new dimensions to your movie watching enjoyment. From small, premium listening spaces to large media rooms, with over 1,000 system combinations, there's a reference premier solution for any format. For big home theater sound that's as elegant as it is powerful, explore the entire line of Klipsch reference premier speakers today. Klipsch, keepers of the sound.
Experience maximum performance with the Polk MagniFi Max SR home theater soundbar system. Patented stereo dimensional array technology widens your entire soundstage. Feel more depth and detail in everything you hear. Voice adjust technology for crystal clear dialogue. True 5.1 wireless surround sound, so the action is always undeniable. And you're right there in it.
We've got powerful lightning and thunderstorms heading into the area. More at 6.
Great home theater deserves your A game, so bring it with a bar above the rest. Polk, expect great sound.
Introducing Roku Streambar Pro. Cinematic sound and powerful 4K streaming, all in one. Hear every detail with Dolby Audio as the premium drivers boost volume and clarity, and listen in awe as virtual surround fills your room with sound. Upgrade any TV with America's #1 TV streaming platform, and enjoy a customizable home screen with your favorite channels front and center. Watch what you love in brilliant picture quality and stream your favorite music in studio quality sound. Use the voice remote to control your TV, streaming, and sound. Plus, set personal shortcuts for one-touch control. There's even a lost remote finder. Setup is a cinch with everything you need in the box. And you can easily expand for even bigger sound. Roku Streambar Pro. It's the ultimate 2-in-1 entertainment upgrade. Happy streaming!
The Sonos Smart Home Sound System with Amazon Alexa brings every room of your home together with incredible sound for music, TV, and more. Connect our smart speakers over Wi-Fi and play a podcast in one room and song in another. Group a few rooms to play your favorite radio station in sync or enjoy music throughout your entire home. Easily control your system with your voice and Amazon Alexa. You can also use the Sonos app, your favorite streaming services app, or the touch controls. Sonos has a speaker for every room and listening experience. Sonos Beam is the smart, compact soundbar that does it all. Get brilliant sound for your TV, music, and more. Amazon Alexa is built right in, so you can control your whole system with your voice and enjoy Alexa's helpful skills. With the voice-activated Sonos One, get surprisingly rich, room-filling sound from a compact speaker. Group 2 in a room for stereo sound, or place them in different rooms to cover more ground. For rooms where music matters most, Play 5 offers sound that's clearer and more detailed than anything you've heard before. Get bold home theater sound for your living room with Playbar or Playbase. Mount Playbar on the wall with your TV, or for TVs on furniture, choose the thin and surprisingly powerful Playbase. Sub gives you deep bass, and when you put it in the same room as Playbar, Playbase, or Beam, you get amazing 3.1 home theater. Then add a pair of Sonos Ones to complete the ultimate 5.1 surround sound system. Let your vinyl collection loose with Connect. Hook it up to your analog equipment to enjoy music in multiple rooms and go from spinning to streaming with a tap. Power all your home's entertainment with the new Sonos Amp, the versatile amplifier for streaming, vinyl, home theater, built-in speakers, and smart home control. All our speakers and components work together, making it easy to build the system you want. Enjoy everything you love to listen to, your music library, streaming services, TV, vinyl, and more, at home on Sonos, because listening out loud makes life better. Sonos, the home sound system.